why I am impressed by Tasly. Now, in the medical scientific world now, we have this very important statement that every claim you make about any product, it must be evidence-based. Right? That means if your claim is good, then you must have proof that it is good. It's not enough to say that because my mother says good. It's not enough just to say because it worked for my grandfather. Okay? So, and to have it in a proven form, meaning to have it evidence, means there must be scientific studies. And scientific studies are studies that are not biased. Meaning, even if you do the study, then other people come and observe and see that yes, it is not biased. Better still if somebody else does the study on your product. So really, then it is not biased. So when I was invited to the doctor's seminar, I was very impressed, right, that the products in Tasly, especially the Danshan, is being researched and studied and monitored by the US FDA, which is probably the most respected scientific body in terms of regulating drugs and any supplements that claims to have therapeutic effects. Meaning, if you claim any supplement that can help cure something or can improve disease, then that claim must be proven. Right? So, the Danshan, for example, is traditional medicine. It is medicine. Right? It is medicine. So, in the medicine category, right? So, the claims will be valid only if there are valid studies to prove that what you say is true. Right? So, studies are being done. It can do many things that drugs can do, and it can do many things that even drugs cannot do. And what's most important is that it does not have the side effects that the drugs have. Right? It's not enough to be effective, it must also be safe. Right? It's important to have something that is effective and safe, and the third factor is, of course, should be reasonably priced. Now, when it comes to the three top diseases in most of the developing countries and developed countries, is always heart disease, cancer, stroke. All right, it's always the three as the top causes of death. All right, in terms of other diseases, then you have diabetes, but nobody dies of diabetes. People die of complications of diabetes, right? Most people with diabetes still die of heart disease or kidney failure. Because actually, many of us here, you think you don't have heart disease, actually you have. Right? Because you don't go for the thorough examination, that's why you don't know. How confident I am? Because we know from autopsies done on children. Right? Children die from car accidents. Right? Autopsy done. You know what's autopsy? They cut open the body to set. For example, in USA, when they do the autopsies on 10, 11, 12-year-old children who die of other causes, they found 60 to 70% already have the starting of the blockage of the heart arteries. Right? 10, 11, 12. So in the 20, 30s, of course, 100% already. All right? And this is not surprising because of the kind of diet, right? The children, right, for the moment they can eat already, they're baby burgers. So imagine if we are unhealthy, the next generation is going to be worse. To be effective in anything is to lead by example. Why do you think Dr. Ravi is successful in building up this business? Because everything that is required to be successful in this business, he led by example. So the only effective peacemaker, peace worker is the one who leads by example, meaning he is an exemplar of a peaceful human being first. But better that you have a team than everything is cow team. Thank you very much.
Actually, Tasly is a very formal pharmaceutical company in China.
And I find that this is a wonderful drug. I think everyone should take this.
This conference will definitely help the attending doctors, plus for us to have a better understanding on what is the actual results that has come and how was the clinical applications.
I feel tension is still the best drug as far as any block is concerned or any clot. I've got 100% or 101% weight in tension.
And Tension Plus has got a big potential to help people to get better through this inexpensive way.
That somebody had a stroke for 4 years and he took tension, say the doctor recommended for a month, but he recovered in 2 weeks. So I think that is amazing.
The efficacy of tension is probably, tremendous, because I think if you can improve microcirculation, then I think, the basis of most disease processes is potentially reversible.
Tension capsule helps in our cellular metabolisms. It will improve the energy of the heart as well as improve the stamina. It definitely helps if we take 2 capsules or 4 capsules daily as a maintenance.
It helps people in preventing hypertension, cardiovascular diseases. So prevention is always better than curing.
One of the main situation for death is cardiovascular problems. So there, if you are looking at Tension Plus, it is an amazing supportive tool for not only assisting your heart, but as well assisting your other organs with a good vascular supply, and thereby they definitely can function with a better metabolic rate as well as better metabolism. So with the existing or the future customers, Tension is the best. And it is the best. Why I can vouch and let you know is because it has gone through the FDA trials, which is what is very, very important for our medical fraternity. And the phase 1 trial, phase 2 trial is already completed, and the phase 3 is ongoing now as a supplement to improve their blood supply and thereby lead a healthy lifestyle.
Tension, one thing, is a powerful nature product, can help many people, of course all of you. My concern, want to reach this message to all of you. Only things we need to put together. So once again, thank you to everyone.
And taking this opportunity, I want to say thank you for Dr. Avi and all the team members who organized this. So as you understand, Tasly is one of the leading pharmaceutical company in China. Actually, we are within top 5 pharmaceutical companies. So this is a quite important event for us to introduce this product and our technology to Malaysia Medical Association. So thank you so much.